Today we'll discuss class 11th maths and chapter number 2. Today we'll understand what is relation. So first of all we'll understand relation by a definition. A relation R from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B means we have two non-empty set A and B is a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. Means a relation is a subset of A, the Cartesian product of A cross B. Clear? रिलेशन आर क्या है? एक सबसेट है किसका? कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का. क्लियर? बट कौन से स्पेशल केसेस हम लोग लेंगे इसमें? वी सेलेक्ट सम एलिमेंट्स. द सबसेट इज ड्राइव्ड बाय डिस्कवरिंग अ रिलेशन बिटवीन, मीन्स वी चूज अ सबसेट विच इज related between first element and the second element of the ordered pair. Clear? We select the subset of those elements whose first element is related to the second element of the set. Clear? Of the ordered pair A cross B. The second element is called image of the first element. Clear? So relation, what is relation? We denote this relation by R. So relation is a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. Clear? Okay. So suppose that we have given a Cartesian product, and in that Cartesian product we will find the relation. Let's take an example to understand what is relation. A is a set of 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B is a set of A is a set of 1, 2, and B is a set of 3, 2, 3. Clear? Okay, first of all we have to find the Cartesian product. So find the Cartesian product A cross B. So we know that the Cartesian product is 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. Clear? So in that Cartesian product we will get a Cartesian product. Now we will find the elements. The relation between the elements is now we will select the elements in which the second element is 1 greater than the first element. The second element is 1 greater than the second element. So 1 and 2. Clear? हमारे पास एक सेट है 1, 2, B दूसरा सेट है 2, 3. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट? 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. क्लियर? अब एक रिलेशन हमको यहाँ पे इस्टेब्लिश करना है. रिलेशन R x y. क्लियर? सच दैट y is 1 greater than x. y जो होगा यानी y, what is y? y is the second element. Second element is 1 greater than x. Clear? So देखिए second element 2 and the first element is 1. So 2 is greater than 1 greater than 3, 2. तो यहाँ पे 3 जो है वो 1 से 1 ग्रेटर है. क्लियर? तो हमारे पास एक रिलेशन आ गया R. R is equal to, we have 1, 2 and 2, 3. Clear? So this R is a subset of this Cartesian product. ये जो R आपके पास आया है ये इस कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का सबसेट है. सो वी कैन से दिस इज R is a subset of A cross B. Clear? So this R is called relation. Clear? फिर से आप डेफिनेशन को एक बार समझ लेते हैं. इसको समझने के बाद, a relation R from non-empty set A to non-empty set B. So we have two non-empty set is a subset of Cartesian product. So R is a subset of Cartesian product. So this R is a subset of Cartesian product. Clear? So R is said to be relation if it is subset of Cartesian product and the R every element of every first element is related to the second element with the same relation. मीन्स जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो सेकेंड एलिमेंट से रिलेटेड होगा किसी एक पर्टिकुलर रिलेशन से. क्लियर? ओके, सो वी डिनोटेड इट बाय R, कैपिटल R. So suppose that we have given R is equal to 1,2 and 2,3. So we can also write it as first is related to second and second is related to third. This is the relation. Clear? Okay, now the first element is called set A is written A is equal to 1,2 and B is equal to what? 2,3. So set A is called, all the element of set A is called the elements that we are taking in relation. जो जो एलिमेंट रिलेशन में आए हैं उन्हें कहते हैं हम लोग डोमेन. All elements of set A which are participate in relation. Clear? Means, so for example we have set A and this is set B. Thus A is containing 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is containing 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So 2 more than every element, 2 more than the given elements. Clear? So 2 is related to 5 and 4 is related to 6. So we have only 2 relation, 2 related to 5 and 4 is related to 6. So the relation is the second element is 2 greater than first element. Clear? Sorry, 3 to 5. So 2 and 3 is called domain. All the elements of set A which participate in. So what is domain? Domain this 3, 4 is called domain. Clear? And the remaining elements is called codomain. This all elements is called codomain. Clear? And which is the second element? The second element is called image, or we can say range. So we will discuss domain and range in our next video.